This is problem number 7 from section 1.3. It says evaluate cosine 5 pi over 12. And you'll notice I have sum and difference formulas written here. How do I know that I have to use a sum and difference formula for this problem? Well, they give me an angle of 5 pi over 12. And if you look at the unit circle, 5 pi over 12 is not located on the circle at all. So we'll go ahead and put this down. And you can see that none of these degrees have a denominator of 12, which means automatically we're not going to be able to find on the unit circle. So if we're going to evaluate it, we have to put it into a form where we can actually use the unit circle to help us. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to say that cosine of 5 pi over 12, I'm going to break that down into two pieces that I can simplify. So cosine of 5 pi over 12 is cosine of, let's break 5 pi over 12 down. We can break that down to, let's see, 2 pi over 12 plus 3 pi over 12. And my goal when I split this is I can split this using a subtraction or addition, but I want these to reduce. So whatever numbers I use, like 2 pi and 3 pi is obviously 5 pi, whatever numbers I pick, they have to be divisible by 12. So that would then reduce to pi over 6 plus, this would be pi over 4. So now I can say pi over 6 plus pi over 4 inside this cosine. So then I can look at my sum and difference formula. If cosine of alpha plus beta is cosine alpha, cosine beta minus sine alpha, sine beta. So I can use that then to evaluate this. So this is cosine of pi over 6 times cosine of pi over 4 minus sine of pi over 6 times sine of pi over 4. Cosine pi over 6. We can use the unit circle and look. So where's pi over 6 at? Right here. Cosine is root 3 over 2. So I'm going to write root 3 over 2. Cosine of pi over 4 is easy to remember. That's always going to be root 2 over 2 because both sine and cosine at pi over 4 are root 2 over 2. And then I've got minus sine of pi over 6. Well, we can use sine of pi over 6. Pi over 6, sine is 1/2. So we have 1/2 here. Times, and then again, root 2 over 2 for sine of pi over 4. Multiply those, you end up with root 6 over 4 minus root 2 over 4, which is root 6 minus root 2 over 4. And that's the solution for cosine 5 pi over 12.